Thank you for joining us at XM.com for today's market comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachurdes. Rate cut speculation went into overdrive on Thursday after inflation in both the United States and the Eurozone fell to levels last seen in 2021, pushing forward the expected timing of when the Fed and ECB will start to ease policy. The drop in Eurozone inflation was the most impressive, with the headline reading falling to within just 0.4 percentage points from the ECB's 2% target. Core PCE inflation, on the other hand, was in line with expectations, but the decline to 3.5% in the Fed's favorite inflation metric was nevertheless a strong validation of the narrative that interest rates will be cut sooner rather than later. The US dollar didn't initially react much to the data, as the euro's plunge earlier in the day had triggered a broader rebound in the greenback. But an overdue technical correction likely played a role too, and the dollar is on the back foot again on Friday. The euro, meanwhile, is looking a lot steadier today, but remains 2 handles below where it was on Wednesday, when it briefly poked above $1.10. Its 2-month-long uptrend against the dollar has come into question following the post-CPI repricing in ECB rate cut expectations, as investors see the first ECB cut arriving in April, whereas a Fed rate cut isn't fully priced in before May. But if Powell, who is scheduled to make 2 appearances later in the day, does not flag a possible rate cut within months, the dollar might resume its rebound. In equities, European markets opened sharply higher on the first trading day of December, following solid gains on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones hit its highest level this year, but the Nasdaq bucked the trend as worries about the earnings outlook weighed on tech stocks. After much speculation, the OPEC Plus alliance surprised many by agreeing to additional cuts of 900,000 barrels a day for the first quarter of 2024, on top of the existing cuts of 1.3 million barrels per day that have been extended. But the additional reductions will be implemented on a voluntary basis, casting doubt about whether or not members will stick to it. Brent crude futures opened with a gap lower today, coming close to slipping below $80 a barrel. Thanks for watching today's market comment here at XM.com.